Hi, my name is Travis Huggins for Anatomy and Physiology Lab. We're going to be looking at two more cranial nerves, which are part of the peripheral nervous system, as well as their function. So we're looking at the glossopharyngeal nerve and the vagus nerve. This is respectively the ninth and 10th cranial nerves. They exit the brainstem up here uh, from both sides of the upper medulla near the nose. The uh, Glossopharyngeal is just a little bit closer to the nerve, to the nose than the vagus. So they are both capable of carrying afferent as well as efferent information, so sensory and motor information. So first off, the glossopharyngeal, which stays up here, it helps with swallowing and it has chemoreceptors in the back of the tongue as well as a few other different roles. The vagus is actually the longest, which you see like the arrow points down here. So the answer is up here, but it goes all the way down to the abdomen. Um, and like I said, it carries sensory information uh, from the pharynx and it carries motor information to the pharynx as well as the larynx.